There's nothing better than moving trees. Big John Manufacturing is a tree spade manufacturing company. You go dig a hole, and then you go drop the dirt ball, and then you bring a tree and put it back in that yard. And before you drive out of that subdivision or school or whatever you're doing, there is a crowd of people.
Here at Big John, success doesn't start with our team, it starts with our customers.
We've got an amazing group of customers that go back many years, hard workers, passionate about moving trees.
If a customer has something going on at Friday evening at 6 p.m., one of our guys has their phone on and they're going to get help that day.
That you want to do what they gotta have to make their business work as smooth as they can. And so with their input and their ideas, it helps fast track some things, and it helps both sides, whether it be us as Big John or them as a customer, to have a fun time growing together and understanding each other.
We try to figure out the machine that's going to work best for them, not just the machine that we may have in stock that we want to sell them, but we want to make sure that the machine they're buying is what's going to benefit their business the most.
It's a working man's spade at a working man's price. Nursery diggers, limb lifters, pod trailers, whatever somebody needs, we're capable of doing it in-house at Big John.
We've all got a common goal to make Big John the best we can make it.
If you're in the market for tree spades, there's a lot of choices. If you buy from us, we're going to take care of you, we're going to support you for the longevity. It's not just about the sale. This is a long-term project for both of us.